Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Let's start with the dua. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir wa tammim bil khair wa bika nasta'inu ya fattahu ya fattahu ya fattahu. Today, inshallah, we are going to learn 5 special ism. And this is lesson 14 in our series. And Alhamdulillah, we have been doing ism studies, and today is the 14th lesson. So 5 special ism, they are special in the sense that they have only 2 letters. In Arabic language, usually words have 3 root letters. 99% of words in Arabic, they have 3 root letters and they are called salasi. However, there are 5 special ism which is spelled with only 2 letters. With these 5 special ism, the 3rd letter is dropped. And these 5 special isms are abun, akhun, famun, hamun, and zu. You can see, like, you can very well appreciate only 2 letters are there in each of these 5 special ism. Abun means father, akhun means brother, famun, mouth, hamun, in-laws, zu means possessor of or having something, having the quality of something, like Zul Fadl Azim, Zul Qarnain. So zu means having some the quality of something or possessor of. So among these 5 special ism, the first four means abun, akhun, famun, and hamun. These 4, let me take the markers. Yeah, these 4 ism, they can come in a sentence singly, like as an independent single ism, or as a mudaf in idafa combination also. So these 4 words can come as a single word, like ahun, abun, famun, hamun. And they also can come in idafa combination, like ahu Hamidin, Hamid's brother, Abu Hamidin, Hamid's father, or Abu Bakrin, Bakr's father. So these can come single as well as in idafa combination. But the 5th one, zu, this special ism always comes as a mudaf with a mudaf ilayh. It never stands alone. Okay, that's a fact. And we know as any ism, these 5 special ism, they also take different positions in the sentence. Sometimes they might come as a doer in a sentence, or they might be subject or the predicate of a nominal sentence. And sometimes these ism are as detail or mudaf ilayh. Any position they can take in the sentence. So when they take positions in the sentence, their status would be rafa, nasab, and jar. But in these, and you also know that status is usually shown by the harka of the last letter of an ism, which we call ending sound, u, a, e, or un, an, in. And this is like these ending sounds, they show a status in like any ism, regular 3-letter salasi ism. But these ism, because these are 2 letters, these have special grammar rules with regards to showing their status in different situations. Like when they come singly as a single independent ism, uh, their status is shown differently. And when they come in combination, like as a mudaf in idafa combination, then their status is shown differently. So let's see how it differs. Okay, so these are some rules of 5 specialism. As I told you, the first 4 specialism take different position in the sentence. Doer, detail, subject, possessor, mudaf, either singly or in combination. So they can come as a single ism and they can come in combination of idafa. However, this one, the 5th one, zoo, always comes as mudaf in combination with a mudaf. It never comes single, as a single ism. And usually, okay, so in ordinary circumstances, when they come single as a single independent ism in a sentence, these four come as a single independent ism in any sentence, Arabic sentence. So they show their status by the ending sounds, which is usual, which is normal, just like any ism. However, when these 5 special ism come as mudaf, like they come up, this one always come as mudaf, and these in some ayat, in some sentences, these 4 come as mudaf. So when they come as mudaf, their status is not determined by ending sounds, a, u, e, or an, in, un. The status is not shown by these sounds. Rather, it is shown by vav, ya, or alif. Okay. So when they come as mudaf, their status is shown by a letter, vav, ya, or alif. This is called i'rab bil harf, and not by the movement like fatha, dhamma, kasra. So when they come as mudaf, they don't show their status with fatha, dhamma, kasra, or fathatain, dhammatain, or kasratain. They show by their status with vav, or ya, or alif. So when they are rafa, they show their status with vav. They end with these end in vav. And when these ism are taking nasb status, these end with alif. And when they are taking jar status, these end with ya. So here are some examples. This column is when they come as a single independent noun and how they show their status. And this column is telling us when they come as mudaf. And you can see zoo has 3 different forms for 3 different status only as a mudaf, because zoo doesn't come as an independent single ism. Okay, so let's take the first one, abun. If it's a rafa, it shows abun or abu. Heavy form abun, light form abu, single dhamma. Let me take the marker so that I can write. Yeah, abun heavy or abu. Aban, when it's a nasab, then aban. When jar, it's abin. But when it is mudaf, then it would take wow. It would show the rafa form will be shown by wow instead of dhamma. Wow. And nasab form would be shown by alif, and jar status would be shown by ya. The same goes with akhun, which means brother. The rafa form akhun or ahu. Then in mudaf, when they this word ahu ahun is coming as mudaf, then rafa form ahu with waw, nasb form with alif, aha, and jar form with ya. So that's the same features over here. Same features are you can see over here with mouth, famun, rafa, faman, nasb, and famin, jar status. And you can see wow is telling you that it's rafa. Alif is telling you it's a nasb, and ya is telling you it's a jar status. Same with zoo. So this is this chart is showing the different difference in the apparent status, like apparent form of the word when they come as mudaf, and they showed the status differently, and when they come when these specialisms come as single independent ism in the sentence, then their their Arab or status is shown by ending sound. Okay, let's go further. And here again, like this difference is shown with example, like abun, when status shown by the movement when they come alone. Abun, aban, abin, right? Rafa, nasab, jar. But when they come as mudaf, like Abu Bakrin, mudaf, you can see that this Abu is fulfilling the conditions of mudaf, like no alif lam, and light. Abu Bakrin, and this is mudaf ilayh with ism having jar status. So Abu Bakrin. So over here, Abu, we can say that Abu is mudaf and it is rafa. It is rafa because of waw. And over here, we can say that Abba is mudaf and its status is nasb because of this alif. And over here, Abi Bakrin. So Abi is mudaf but has a jar status. And this is because of some words, context of the sentence. Over here, this Abu Bakrin is used when Abu might be coming as the doer as a doer in the sentence or subject in the sentence. And over here, this word might be coming as detail. That's why it's a nasab. And over here, it might be following a harf of jar. So that's why it's a jar in status. So there can be reason when we read the ayat or the Arabic sentence, and we can see the reasons for these ism to be in rafa or nasab or jar status. The same is shown with al abu, with al abu, and over here in this row with ahun, like ahun, akhan, akhin, and when they come as mudaf, ahu yasirin, rafa, akha, because of alif, nasab form, akha yasirin, akhi yasirin. Same is hamu, fatimata, hama fatimata, hami fatimata. And Fatimata over here is mudaf ilayh, but it's showing jar status with fatah because Fatima is a female name. So it's this all female names are partly flexible. They cannot take kasra. That's why it's Fatimata, 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 all jar in status because all over here, all three time it's a mudaf ilayh. Same with, you can see with zu ilmin, za ilmin, zi ilmin, right? Let's go further. Okay. Okay. Now another aspect, like when these specialism, they come as mudaf and their mudaf ilayh is an attached pronoun. So if it's huwa, abuhu, his father, right? Abuhu, his father, and abu is in which status over here? Over here, it's in Rafa status because we can see wow over here. Abu Huma, father of those two men or those two boys. Abu Hum, father of them, like males, more than two males. So father of them. And Abuha, her father. Abu Huma, their father, but two females. Abu Hunna, their father, but more than two females. Abuka, your father. Abukuma, your father. Abukum, your father. But you means more than two people. And Abuki, this is female, like you as a female. Abukuma, two females are addressed over here. And Abukunna, father of father, your father, but your means there are females more than two females, like three or more females. Look, just look closely over here. Abi, all of these are Rafa in status and showing the status of Rafa with wow. Why? Because over here all these are coming as mudaf. Over here, this is also coming as mudaf, but combining with ya mutakallim, attached pronoun ya, me, right? So when because of ya, because it's ya obligates a kasra before it. This ya harf, there's an obligation that before ya there is a kasra. So because of this obligation, or whenever these special ism they combine with the attached pronoun ya, they always take kasra. Apparently, they always look the same, but their Arab is hidden. Like they with the same form, this word might be mm, mm, might be representing a doer. So if we see a fail before it and it's a doer, it's the position is a doer in the sentence, then we will say that's its a status is rafa, but it is hidden muqaddara because of ya. Okay, so there's an exception when these mudaf combine with attached pronoun. There's an exception with ya, that when these special ism combined with pronoun ya, their Arab is hidden. Arab is not shown, then Arab is not shown by waw, alif, and ya. Arab is hidden because this ya is the attached pronoun. Okay, so more examples just to explain it further. You know that when these five specialism they combine with ya, their status is hidden. Apparently, they look the same, right? So look at this sentence. Kharaja akhi min ghurfati. My brother went out of my room. Kharaja is fail. When he went. And akhi, who went out of the room? Akhi. So akhi is a doer. Akhi is doer. My brother is doer, but its Rafa status is not shown by wow. Why? Because akhu is attached to ya pronoun. That's why its Rafa status is hidden. It's muqaddara because of ya, right? The same over here, Abu plus ya. Abu is my father in the Rafa form. And when it combines with attached pronoun ya, it becomes abi. Ahu plus ya, akhi. And aba in the nasab form. When it combines with ya, again, the result is the same. The final combined form is same. Like abu plus ya, abi. Aba plus ya, abi. So overall, the end product is same. Ahu plus ya, akhi. Akhi plus ya, akhi. So over here is rafa, over here is jar status. Over here is rafa, and over here it's a jar status combining with ya pronoun. But the overall result is the same. Akhi, akhi. So that's important thing to remember about the specialist. Okay, let me take you to hold on. Yes, this one. And so, like if we summarize today's lesson, these are some take home points, and these are what 5 special ism are 2-letter words instead of the usual 3 letters. Usually 99% of Arabic words are 3-letter words. They are called salasi. But these 5 special ism are 2-letter words. Okay, the first 4, abun, akhun, hamun, and famun. The first 4 special ism can come in a sentence as an independent single ism or as a mudaf in idafa combination. However, the 5th one, zu, always comes as a mudaf with a mudaf ilayh. It never stands alone. Okay, and then again remember, usually when the first 4 come as an independent ism in a sentence, they usually show their status normally with harka, ending sound. Un, an, en, u, a, e. And then this is called Arab bil harkat. But when they come as mudaf, all of them, all 5, when they come as mudaf, their status is shown by a letter, which is waw, alif, and ya. Okay. And when these ism combine with when these special ism combine with attached pronouns and ya comes, then with attached pronouns, these are when they combine with the attached pronoun ya, their Arab is always hidden, muqaddara. So these are just 4 or 5 take home points. Like you just need to remember these. First thing, these are 2-letter words. The second thing is normally when they are single, they are independent in the sentence, they usually show their status normally with ending sound un, an, en, u, a, e. But when they come as mudaf, they show their status with waw, in waw as rafa, alif as nasab status, and ya as jar status. they show all these status every time except when they are combined with attached pronoun ya. When they combine with attached pronoun ya, ya always takes kasra before it, and they look the same in rafa, nasab, and jar. But the context of the sentence tells us that at some particular moment that word is rafa and nasab or jar. Okay. So that's the end of the lesson. I hope you understand the concept of a special ism, and inshallah we are going to do the exercise in interactive session, inshallah. And if you have questions, you can ask me during interactive session. Till then, till the next lesson. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.